Hi. We have a Kitchenaid KMHS 120 ESS over the stove microwave. The light bulb went out and was replaced, but this time the light will not turn off. We have to plug/unplug the microwave to turn the light out. This is, as you can imagine, a little inconvenient. Is there anything you can think of that needs to be replaced/repaired to have it function normally again? Thanks so much for your time.
Can you guesstimate how old your Kitchenaid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
KMHS 120 ESS. It was purchased from Lowe's on May 29, 2016.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
My husband will.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, other than that it works fine.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. If the light won't go out, then either you replace the bulb without the microwave being unplugged, or the bulb failed in a way that arced and caused the relay on the board to weld shut. Either way, the display board would need to be replaced to fix the issue. The cost of the part is about $120 and it's part number WPW106787766 if you wanted to replace it yourself. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thanks so much for your assistance. Denni.
No problem and good luck.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.